SalesBuddy Pro. Setup, Sync, Sell. To access the SalesBuddy Pro admin panel, you will need to create a custom Visualforce tab. First, go to Setup and navigate the left-hand side panel to Build, and then click Create. You will see a list of action items. Select Tabs. Next, select New within the Visualforce tab option, and then select SalesBuddy Admin from the drop-down box. Type SalesBuddy Pro as the tab label, and it will autofill the tab name. Finally, click the tab style options to select a style and color tab of your preference. Then click Next. A SalesBuddy Pro tab should now appear at the top navigation bar within your Salesforce instance. You can access the SalesBuddy Pro admin panel from this tab moving forward. If for some reason you don't see this tab, click the plus sign and search the list of applications until you find SalesBuddy Pro. If you'd like to ensure that the app stays within the top of your navigation, you can select Customize My Tabs and move SalesBuddy Pro from available tabs to selected tabs. Then click Save. Now we're going to walk you through the setup wizard to connect SalesBuddy Pro to your instance of Salesforce. With this quick demo, we will walk you through the setup wizard process to get things started with SalesBuddy Pro. You'll need to follow 6 simple steps to connect SalesBuddy Pro to your instance of Salesforce. This should take about 5 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a remote site to your instance URL by clicking the Open in Salesforce button. Then copy-paste the information below on the Open Salesforce page. The remote site name should be added as SBuddy. Copy and paste the remote site URL into the appropriate area. Ensure that the active box is selected. Return to the wizard page and press Continue. Step 2. In order for the SalesBuddy Pro mobile application to connect to your instance, you need to create a connected app. We can automate this process for you. To create the connected app, simply press the Continue button on the wizard page. Step 3. To easily upload and access content, create a library named SalesBuddy. Then add your SalesBuddy Pro users to this library. Click on the Open in Salesforce button and follow the steps outlined below. You may be notified that you have insufficient privileges and that you are not a licensed Salesforce CRM content user. If this occurs, contact your administrator and ask they enable this for you, or click Setup, Manage Users, and then Edit Users. Click on your username and then click Edit at the top of the page. Next, select Salesforce CRM Content User on the bottom right side of the page. Once this is enabled, click Save and return to the Setup Wizard page and click Open in Salesforce again. After opening in Salesforce, select New and type SalesBuddy into the name field. Then click Save and Add Members. Select individual users from the drop-down menu and add all appropriate users who will be using SalesBuddy Pro. Note that if for some reason you are the only person using SalesBuddy Pro, simply click Cancel. Then click Next, select Viewer or the appropriate option for the library permissions, click Save. Return to the wizard page and click Continue. Step 4. SalesBuddy Pro includes a feature to save and send presentations. However, it requires a Force.com public site. If you already have a Force.com site license, click Continue to automate the process of creating the Force.com public site. If you have a Force.com license, but the domain is not set up, clicking Continue will prompt you with an error message that we are unable to create the public site. And by clicking the Take Me button, you can proceed with the setup of the domain. We will automatically take you to the correct page to create a site domain. Type in the site name of your preference and check availability. Once you have your domain set, agree to the terms and click Register My Force.com domain. After clicking Register, it will show you a message to confirm that you want to create and register the domain selected. Click OK. If you do not have a Force.com license, clicking Continue will prompt you with an error message that we were unable to create the public site, and you should contact Salesforce to set up a Force.com license. Once this is completed, return to the wizard page and click Continue. Step 5. SalesBuddy Pro uses a library to upload and save your presentations. Create a library named SalesBuddy Presentation and then add the SBuddy group as a member to the library. Click the Open in Salesforce button and then follow the steps outlined below. If you do not want users to upload and save their presentations, click Disable Feature and move to Step 6. After opening in Salesforce, click New. In the Name field, type SalesBuddy Presentation and then click Save and Add Members. Select Public Groups from the drop-down menu and highlight SBuddy from the list, and then click Add. Select Individual Users from the drop-down menu if not already selected. Highlight all users from the list that will be uploading presentations and click Add, and then click Next. Then select Viewer or an appropriate option for the SBuddy group and Author or the appropriate option for all those of the type User. Click Save and then return to the wizard page to click Continue and move on to the final step. Step 6 allows you to select user profiles. Users of SalesBuddy Pro require access to a few objects, fields, pages, and apps. Select the profiles you want to provide access to SalesBuddy Pro, then press Continue, and we will update all of the access rights for you. If you do not want to make any changes, press Continue. Congratulations! You've completed the SalesBuddy Pro setup process to connect it to your instance of Salesforce. We will now walk you through how to create a custom or existing theme for your brand. To use one of our existing themes to set up your application's look and feel, click Continue. To get started customizing your instance of SalesBuddy Pro, select a pre-existing theme or select Build Your Own Theme. Next, choose multiple categories. You'll be able to rename your categories on your home screen. You can visit the Design section of the admin panel to continue to customize the color, logo, and text within your SalesBuddy Pro instance. Now all you have to do is go meet your sales team's new best friend, SalesBuddy Pro.